Welcome aboard. In this demo, we'll show you how to make the most of Saillogger's automated logging and tracking features while underway. We'll highlight its powerful capabilities and seamless automation, designed to enhance your boating experience effortlessly. When you start moving, Saillogger automatically detects that you're underway and identifies the starting point of your trip. The boat's status updates to reflect this, showing details such as your departure from the Exuma Park mooring field in this example. Your departure time and the distance traveled since leaving are also clearly displayed. One of Saillogger's most impressive features is its full automation. Everything, from tracking your route to detecting and naming your departure and arrival points, is handled seamlessly, requiring no manual input. There's no need to start or stop logging, allowing you to fully enjoy your journey. Let's zoom out to view the entire track from the beginning of your cruise. Here you can view your full track, starting from the east coast of the United States and tracing your journey all the way to the Bahamas. The starting point of your cruise is customizable, and we'll revisit this feature later. You'll also notice that boats received via AIS are visible on your map. You can click on them to view additional information. You can also add them to your friends list. The Friends feature lets you follow the adventures of your boating friends and stay connected. We'll dive deeper into this functionality in future tutorials. Now let's add a destination by clicking on the flag icon in the upper right corner of the screen. While this step is completely optional, it enriches the overall experience and provides additional context for your journey, especially for your followers. Navigate the map to your desired destination and zoom in as needed to select it accurately. Once you've navigated to your desired location on the map, simply click to set it as your destination. Saillogger will automatically identify the name of your destination, calculate the distance to it, and update your status summary. If you've opted to make your profile public, your friends and loved ones will also be able to view this information, keeping them informed about your journey. Now let's add a note. Saillogger offers a microblogging feature, letting you share updates and enhance your boating experience. To get started, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner of the page. A window will open with a rich text editor, allowing you to easily style and format your notes before saving them. Simply type your note and click Save to add it. The note will be automatically added to your history, complete with its exact location linked to that note. You can also enrich your journey by adding photos. Click on the camera icon to upload a photo. You can add as many as you'd like. Just like a note, each photo is linked to a clickable position on the map, making it easy to relive specific moments of your journey. If you'd like to make changes, you can easily delete photos and upload new ones. Likewise, editing your previous notes is just as simple. Now let's fast forward to the end of our trip and see what happens upon completion. About an hour after your arrival, Saillogger will automatically conclude your trip, create a detailed log entry, and notify you via email and push notification, if you've opted in for them. On this screen, you can see an example of the email sent. When you view that log, you'll find a detailed summary of your trip, all handled seamlessly without any manual input, including the accurate name of your arrival point. This log features your track, the notes you added along the way, and key statistics like trip duration, average and maximum speed, and wind speed. If you've set up custom NMEA data monitoring, it will also be included in your logs, complete with detailed insights. Click on Additional Data to expand and view detailed information. You can add as much data as you want from your NMEA network, such as wind direction, tank levels, engine hours, coolant temperatures, and more. All of this information will be included in the Additional Data section and seamlessly associated with your logs, providing valuable insights for future diagnosis and reference. Your status page will also automatically update to reflect your current position and arrival time. Now let's take a moment to navigate back to the list of logs. Everything you see here is automated and designed for your convenience, requiring no effort to manage. However, if you wish, Saillogger makes it easy to enhance your experience with simple customizations. Let's explore one of these options. Click on the destination name, such as Big Major's Spot in this example, to personalize it. While the name is accurately identified, you have the option to change it if you wish. In this case, we'll set the stay type for this moorage to Anchor, as Big Major's Spot is a popular anchoring destination. Alternatively, you could choose Dock or Mooring Buoy based on your stay type. Saillogger uses this information to enrich the level of detail it provides to you and your followers. For example, your status is automatically updated to reflect that you are at anchor in Big Major's Spot. Additionally, this information enhances the accuracy of your statistics, clearly distinguishing between nights spent at anchor on a mooring buoy or dock. This gives you a more comprehensive view of your boating activities. Saillogger also remembers these settings, So if you return to Big Major's spot in the future, you won't need to set it up again. Now let's take a step back and customize the starting point of this cruise. Navigate to Settings, then go to the Monitoring and Tracking tab. The initial tracking position on this tab allows you to set the starting point for your cruise. It's presented as a drop-down menu with your previous logs. The log you select will define the starting point of your track. You can also disable the cruise mode. Let's begin by doing that. Just choose the empty option under Initial Tracking Position. Now let's return to the tracker. You can now see that the tracking path has disappeared. This is what we refer to as disabled cruising mode. Let's return to Settings and set the start of the cruise to the last trip we just completed. You can see that the track now starts with our last completed trip, seamlessly reflecting the updated starting point. As you complete new trips, they will automatically be added to this track. When your cruising season ends and you begin a new one, you can always return to this setting and reconfigure it to reflect your new starting point. Thank you for joining us on the Saillogger demo. We hope you've enjoyed learning about its powerful features and how they can enhance your boating experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with your fellow boaters to help them discover Saillogger too. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials, tips, and updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's make boating smarter and more enjoyable together.